Hello YouTube, Meredith Moore back here with another unboxing video from Wonder Fair in Lawrence, Kansas. Since the last time we spoke, we have procured jumpsuits, so the unboxing is a lot more professional now. In addition, I have a few more new tricks up my sleeve, specifically ceramic cutting implement. It's like a Pac-Man. Waka 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 waka. And you might be wondering, how did she magically attach that ceramic cutter to her outfit so casually? Magnets in my pocket. Yo, it's magnetic. Cool. So I would use this amazing new Japanese ceramic cutter to open our Hobonichi box. However, it has been thoughtfully pre-opened by us at some point in the delivery process. Magical. Probably. So we're doing what I'm going to call a preliminary unboxing, where we just figure out if anything came out of the box before it got to Wonder Fair. So we're just going to accomplish this with my checklist and this dirty box that's 100 million pounds and a little long in the tooth. So let's see what's in this chomper. All right, opens very nicely, as if it were shipped completely untaped. Seems fine. 2 pieces of bubble wrap. So that's a good sign. Usually a crook would take this first thing, so they left that. All right, we're just gonna get in here, and I'm starting with the thing I was most nervous might not have made it once our box arrived open. The camper edition of the Cousin, which has like a waterproof cover and snap closure, and I'm so excited about it. It just makes me want to be a camp counselor. So come to Camp Wonder Fair, because it looks like all 5 of these showed up. Excited about that. That one's for me. Okay, what else showed up? Looks like we got the dolphin colorway, 2, 5. Checks out. Is that right? Yes. Okay. So far, so good, everybody. Here we have, I think this was the mimosa colorway. 3, 5. Give it a little extra scrunchles for all you ASMR listeners out there. So far, so good. Pink. Maybe this was mimosa. That was peach sky. All right, 5. Check. This. Excellent. And then black and blue, 3. 6. Whoa. Pause. Game on. 9. 10. Checks out. All right, we have a trove of weeks down here at the bottom. Not what I like to see at the bottom of the Goofy box, being slightly more delicate. But good news, everybody. The tiny baby cactus ones are fine. 3, 5, 10. Excelsior! Somehow, nothing in this box has been lost so far. Boy, that's really cute. Zoom in. Nope. Cameraman says you can't zoom in. Zoom in with your face in person at Wonder Fair. Anytime. Next up, this super cute plaid pattern, 5. Check. And last but not least in this box of goofiness, oh yeah, this one's one of my faves, 5. This one was called Mother 2. Drink coffee before we go. I can see the story interpreted in the cover. You'll have to take a closer look online. So, it appears so far as though, unless an entire group of objects got lost, the quantity of each item has been accounted for. And despite the fact that this box was delivered to us flapping open in the breeze, totally fine. Thanks, America. And Japan, you're nice. You're nice folks. That's great news. Should we open box number 2 and confirm their security? Planners ain't light, y'all. That's why it costs a lot of money to ship them from Japan. All right. Let's pull out these customs forms. Wouldn't want to slice those for my scrapbook. All right. All right. So far, so good. A nice minty paper fill. Lovely. Next up, what do we got? Even more weeks. This is the double weeks, so double the volume of note pages in the back for people who have a lot of thoughts to put on paper, but the same number of days in a year, which is kind of incontrovertible. Don't really get any choices there. All right, so the pink. Yes, strawberry latte, I should say, maybe. Okay. The normal sized, that's cute. Double size, 5. Check. I should be checking off the list. We'll do that later. We'll follow up and let y'all know if anything was missing, because I'm just checking for quantities right now. 5 more yellows. Ooh. This box is a little zany as well. The Mega. A nice black professional cover. Maybe. And now we get into Techo zone. We have Techos in blue and orange ×5. Check. Okay. ×5. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 colored Tetras. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything is accounted for. All of the cousins, all of the Techos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors of cousins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors of cousins. 4 colors of Techos. 1,000,000 colors of weeks. 1 giant shipping fee. Everything's accounted for, especially the shipping fee for sure. So, just made this video to renew your faith in humanity. If you've been struggling, literally thousands of dollars worth of Hobonichis here. Arrived completely in an open box, and nothing was amiss. So, pat yourself on the back. That was a product placement. I just feel good about the world today. So, come on down to Wonder Fair and help us send our Techos out into the world. We'll be ready for you. That's all. Bye. Upside down. Ignore me. Yeah, that's hot. Okay, Girl Scouts, this is the planner you want. Be prepared. And all that. It's good. Smells nice. Okay. Well, this has been fun. Gotta get a bigger magnet.